delectable Greek dish is so easy to make. If you bring Skordalia to a party, everyone will love it and want to know the recipe. Start by peeling 2 pounds of potatoes. Cut into small chunks so they'll cook faster. We used yellow potatoes, but any kind is fine. Add a tablespoon of salt. Bring to a rolling boil. Make sure it's a gentle boil so the chunks don't break. We're showing 2 ways to make the garlic puree. Smash each clove with a knife, then peel and remove the end. Slice in half and remove the sprout in the middle as it gives an overpowering flavor when raw. Add the cloves to a mortar along with a teaspoon of coarse salt. It's best if it's coarse because it creates more friction to make the puree. Mash well in your mortar to get a fine paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a garlic press or mince finely with a knife. Then add a pinch of coarse salt and with the flat of a knife, crush it down to a paste, like this. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We work really hard on our videos, and your support helps us continue to make them. It doesn't take long. You can stop when it's a fine paste. The potatoes are ready when they are soft but not breaking apart. Ours took 25 minutes. Strain and leave to steam for a couple of minutes to reduce the moisture in the potatoes. To make the Skordalia smooth and fine, it's worth the step to strain the potatoes. You can also do this after mashing. If you have a potato ricer, use it instead. We learned about this recipe from our Greek neighbor Veni. She also taught us how to pronounce the word Skordalia.
Scordalia.
This is a delicious vegetarian recipe.
I'm a vegetarian.
No.
Add half the garlic puree. Reserve the rest, as you can add it later if you want to strengthen the garlic taste. We added the juice of 1 lemon. In this recipe, the quantities are a matter of personal taste, and you need to adjust the ingredients according to what you like. Mix until well incorporated. We added 1/3 of a cup, mixed until smooth and fluffy, then added another 1/3 of a cup and mixed again. Taste and add more salt, lemon, and olive oil according to your taste. We added white pepper so the color would blend in with the potatoes. It doesn't matter if you use black. Serve the Skordalia warm or at room temperature. We topped with more olive oil and garnished with fresh oregano. You can use any fresh herb you have on hand. The flavor of Skordalia is rich and deep. You'll find it hard to stop eating it. You can eat Skordalia as you would hummus, or melizano salata,
Melizano salata.
tiramisu salata,
Taramo salata.
or tiro kafteri,
Tiro kafteri.
as a vegetable dip or on bread. The Greeks also love it as a side to fried fish, especially bacalao.
Bacalharo.
Bon appétit!
Kalisa sorexi.
We also have a video on Guillermo's delicious restaurant-style hummus.